This is my favorite tool, the Wavytalk, for fixing the ends of my synthetic wigs, my heat-friendly synthetic wigs. I love this because it applies the water, the moisture, and the heat all in one fell swoop. Now it will straighten your wigs, so I'm going to be doing it on a wig that I'm going to straighten, but then I do something else to get those curls back in, and I'll make another video about that. But this will straighten it. You could try to curl with the pattern of the wig with this, but I don't know how good that would really do. I just assume when I use this tool, it is either going to straighten it or you just use it on a wig that's straight. I'm going to show you exactly what I do, and then I'll speed up the actual process of me treating the wig behind me. Back here is the water reservoir. You take this off, and it has this little plastic piece that holds in your water. You just pull that out. It comes with this little water bottle, so I hold this in so the water doesn't come back out up here, and then I just squirt the water in there. Some's coming out of my thing too, and it just fills up your reservoir. Slide it back in your Wavytalk. And now I use all this water, if not more, on one wig. Turn it on. I always do it at the very end here. I do this so we have the steamer on, and I don't go higher than 320. That's the lowest it goes. And you will hear, after it starts like heating up, you will hear the water sound, and then you know you're ready to go. Here my wig on the wig stand. I find it easiest to do on a wig head like this. I put it here in the ear tab. You never want to put these in your lace. I do one on each side and one in the nape. You're going to want to make sure that your wig is washed and you've combed through it before you begin. When your wig is really crunchy, it's hard to brush through it, but you definitely want to make sure that you have separated the hairs as best you can so that the Wavytalk can go through as smooth as possible. Section off the hair. We'll do the under part first. You hear that? I don't know if you can see the steam, but there's steam coming out up here. And that means it's ready to go. You can hear it sizzle, and that means it's working. That is a good thing. We want it to sizzle. And if you get to a little piece that's being stubborn, don't just run the Wavytalk through it. Go ahead and get that little tangle out before you continue. I'll go down as many times as I feel I need to until those ends look like they're healed. Depending on the wig fibers, I only have to do this about 7 or 8 wears. I know that it's stressful for people that you have to do this to your wigs, but I'll tell you, when I had used my natural hair, I felt I had to do a lot more maintenance to that than I ever have on my synthetic wigs. And I find this kind of cathartic just to listen to that steam run through there and the sizzle and then really see how repaired it looks. It's like exciting to me. You can see how nice and straight and healed this looks, and we do have some frayed ends here. So we're just going to fix that right up. For me, this tool is about fixing your wig, getting it all back repaired and in good working condition. It's not about styling it, so we can style it another way. But this tool is absolutely amazing in fixing those crunchy wigs. Look at how absolutely glossy she is now. My hand runs right through these beautiful fibers. There's no stragglies looking like they're unhealthy. She is ready to completely dry, and then we will style her. I am just literally so impressed with this Wavytalk every time I use it. It's my go-to. You want to let her thoroughly dry before you do anything else to her so that everything's cooled down and ready to go.